Here we have a 68 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black, all in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We also have the mineral grey metallic paintwork. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter as well, part of the M performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We do have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the rear diffuser and the twin pipe exhaust on the left hand side, and there's a look at the rear. Walking back round to the driver's side now, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, inside of here you find we have the full black leather interior. Take a look at the back first. You find two seats back here, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We do also have the two seats at the front, full leather interior. As you can see, the electrically adjustable front seats, and they're also both heated. We do have the automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. If we just take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. And if you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up for us. Got speed limiter, cruise control just here, high beam assist as well on that stalk there, paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, and we are free from any warning lights other than about the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Now if any screens or lights are flickering, it is just the camera, not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Got the main screen in the centre, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos, but we do have the shortcuts down here, so it's currently showing the sat-nav. Click onto media, you find the radio stations. We also have the other options. We've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well. Moving further down, you find the climate control, heated seats either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning. We do also have the cup holders just inside of here, the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So if you press these buttons, you find the Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sport Plus, which also has the sport displays just there. If you put the car into reverse, then you find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen on the left hand side. Put it back into park just like so. We do also have the manual handbrake just there and the leather armrest. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.